Being certified in the talent development industry really sets you apart, and in this competitive job market, it makes you so much more credible. But even more importantly, it shows your commitment to the talent development industry. Choosing the CPLP is really the highest, most coveted certification within the learning development fields. So personally, I have an MBA, but I chose to be committed to talent development and helping people and training people in the entire function around learning and development. So the CPLP for me shows that commitment. And most organizations that I do work with really value having that CPLP because, again, it ensures that commitment and it ensures that really high standard that is being set by having a CPLP. Participants that attend the instructor-led in-person CPLP workshop love the interaction that they have with one another. It's a very interactive workshop. It's filled with activities. We also help you guide through the ATD learning system. We help to teach you how to navigate that learning system, and that's what people really enjoy about the program, is that we're able to help them chunk down the information, learn it in smaller bites with activities and group discussions, so they are able to relate the information to real life and apply it to their own situation, so they're going to retain it and remember it even more. People always share with me that last day of day 2 of the CPLP instructor-led workshop is that they leave feeling so much more confident about their ability to go back home, create their study plan, and stick to it, and feel so much more confident about approaching both the knowledge exam and the skills application exam.